Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zig, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to call someone on Bigo Live. Alright, so it's very easy, so let's get started. Alright, so the first step you have to do guys is to open your Bigo Live app and log into your account. Once you're logged in, from the bottom area you're going to find this chat option right there. Click on it. Alright, so once you click on it, for example, if you want to call a particular person from your chat, first thing you guys have to do is to follow each other. So you need to follow the person and the person needs to follow you. So once you guys are following each other, then you can be able to video call or call the person. Right, so that's how you can actually do it. Right, so but right now I'm following this person, but this person isn't following me, so I can't call this person. All right, so that's how you can do it guys. Hope this video was helpful and you now know how to do it. If yes, give this video a like and equally subscribe to get more info tips like this. Thanks for watching guys.